Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm just having a little bit of a moment. You might think I've gone a little bit bonkers. I'm also going to tell you a little story about what's going on here. Around 12 months ago, I made a video called What to Do with Daffodils After They've Flowered. Now, inside my cottage on my window ledge, I had a tray, a tub, and it was full of these little daffodils, tete-a-tete, and muscari, little hyacinths, and it did really well all through the winter into the springtime, and it gave me hope, and I was really pleased with it, looking at those bright colours inside the house. After they stopped flowering, I decided to plant them in the garden. This is the result. Now, if you watch the original video, you will see that I mention in that video I spent £12 on all these bulbs, and I had £12 worth of value last year. This is extra value, it's free enjoyment, but I don't want to let the moment pass. If I'm not careful, I'll go about my daily business and never actually sit down and enjoy these. That's why I'm having a moment. I'm also going to tell you what I did to get this result in a second, because it was really straightforward. So here I've got daffodils, tete-a-tete, and also muscari, these lovely blue, and the blue and the yellow goes really well together. So what I did was, I deadheaded them, but I left the greenery on the bulbs. I dug a very shallow pit here, and I filled the bottom of it with Horticultural Grit. That's to aid the drainage, because they were going to sit in the ground there for 12 months until now. I didn't want them to get wet and go rotten, so I put the grit underneath them to help the drainage. That's standard practice, I believe, when you're planting bulbs, and I left them. When the greenery died back, I removed it, and for about 4 months of the year that just stayed like an empty piece of earth. But now look at it, it's absolutely jam-packed full of these wonderful flowers, yellows and blues, and I'm really pleased, and I don't want to miss it, so I'm here for a few moments just enjoying it. Now I will, when these flowers are finished, deadhead them. I don't want them putting energy into making seeds, so I will deadhead the dead flowers, but I will leave the greenery on. I'll do the same with the muscari when they've finished. So there we go. How to recycle bulbs from last year and get results like this. The only thing it cost me in addition was the grit. And by the way, grit is a really useful thing in the garden. I use it whenever I'm potting stuff up. I put it in the bottom of potting holes, and I bought that from Amazon. It was 13 quid. I saw grit on the RHS website for £6 for 5 kilograms. That was £13 for 20 kilograms. So I think that's great value. If you want to buy it, my Amazon link is in the description box below this video. But there you go. Having a little moment, a mindful moment, looking at my tete-a-tete and my muscari. I'll see you soon for some more free plant adventures. Bye for now.